Croeso I Llys Cadwyn. Ni falch iawn o god dod yma heddiw fel rhan o dîm Trafnidiaeth Cymru. A fydden ni fel cwmni yn symud I fyny yma mis Hydref eleni. Ni'n cael yr adeilad gobeithio cyn diwedd Hydref ac yn symud I fewn gyda dodrefn a phopeth yn ei lle tua canol mis Tachwedd.
My name is Chris Lloyd-Evans. I'm a build manager working for Willmott Dixon. I've been on the project now for 2.5 years and I'm very fortunate to carry it through right to be handover then in October. I'm just about to start the decorating works on the ground floor. The basement works, we've got the last bits of mechanical electrical installation to finish off. So it's really just decorations and carpets just to go down at the moment. So we've got quite an extensive PV set. You use solar energy rather than using mains electric. So you use your existing energy rather than drawing down on new energy. So we've got quite a large rainwater harvesting tank that's positioned in the basement. So that takes storm water from the podium slab and from the roof areas. That goes into the big tank and then it's pumped around the building.
So I'm Andrew Morgan, I'm the leader of Rhondda Cynon Taf Council. Really pleased that Transport for Wales is here at our flagship development in Mhontypridd. I think bringing such a major public sector employer such as Transport for Wales into the valleys is a really key message. This is actually jobs coming into the valleys, but linking in with the South Wales Metro plan, which is now under development and being rolled out. I think this is a huge win for Rhondda Cynon Taf and a huge positive actually across the valleys.
Rydyn ni fel asiantaeth cyhoeddus yn gweld pa mor bwysig yw hi I wario arian cyhoeddus ar brosiectau sy'n ei gwahaniaethu fywydau pobl Cymru mewn ffordd cynaladwy. A rydyn ni falch yn dod yma I Mhontypridd I wneud wahaniaeth i'r ardal, i'r fro, i'r cymoedd yn y de, lle dyn ni'n gallu trosglwyddo arian 400 o bobl fydd yn gweithio mewn swyddfa i'r dre lleol a wneud gwahaniaeth drwy ail greu hwb egnïol yn yr ardal yma I ddod â gwaith a brwdfrydedd i'r ardal lle mae hynny falle wedi bod yn holl yn y gorffennol.